Gentlemen of AI culture, on this channel we only care about two things, pretty AI girls and big bank accounts. So let me start your day off right with the AI models of the day. Her Instagram handle is right here across the screen. Now let us get into the financial tip of the day. Dog walking services are professional services that involve taking dogs out for walks. One can make money from dog walking services by charging clients for the time spent walking their dogs. The amount of money one can make from dog walking services may vary depending on their location, experience, and the number of dogs they walk at once. Typically, dog walkers can earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour, with some earning up to $100 per day. Running a successful dog walking business involves building a client base, providing reliable services, and maintaining good relationships with clients and their pets. Do what you want with that information, make sure you like for the algorithm and make sure you subscribe for the AI culture.